Resetting the app preferences on a Pixel 9 restores all app settings to their default state, resolving issues caused by custom settings like disabled apps, notifications, and data restrictions. Here's what you need to do. Start by opening the Settings app. Once you're in, navigate to Apps. On the app screen, tap on See All Apps to view every app installed on your device. Next, look to the top right corner and tap on the three-dot menu. From the drop-down menu, select Reset App Preferences. A pop-up will appear explaining what this action will do. It will reset preferences for disabled apps, disabled notifications, default apps, background data restrictions, permissions, and battery usage settings. In short, everything will be reset to its original state. When you're ready, tap Reset Apps to confirm. And that's it. You've successfully reset the app preferences on your Pixel 9. If you have any questions or need further help, drop a comment below. Good luck, and thanks for tuning in.